back and forth for mixing. Obviously, mixing is important for digestion, right? Because what do you need? What do you want to mix when we say we need to mix it? If I say I want to mix a lot in the duodenum, why do I want to do a lot of mixing in the small intestine? What am I mixing together? Digestive enzymes with nutrients, food. We'll say chyme. Chyme is that liquefied. You guys know chyme. Did I use that word in anatomy? I can't really remember, but chyme is that liquefied food that the stomach slowly releases into the duodenum. So we need to mix that chyme with all these digestive enzymes to allow it to take place. If we say a lot of segmental contractions occur in the stomach, why would we want to do a lot of mixing? So what are we trying to mix in the stomach? Enzymes with chyme, actually, kind of, there's really only one enzyme, well actually there's two, but one in particular that we release in the stomach, and that's pepsin. But more importantly, what we're trying to mix is water with food, right? Because I want to produce chyme, which is the liquefied food. So I want to mix the food with the water to get this liquefied chyme. And I also want to mix hydrochloric acid. I do want to mix enzymes like pepsin, and there's a little bit of lipase there too, but it's really the point is to liquefy food. Okay. Now, peristalsis and segmentation. These occur as a process of digestion to facilitate absorption. There is a type of peristalsis that occurs that is not affiliated with digestion and absorption. And it's called the migrating motor complex. And it's basically there to keep the digestive tract clean. So let's say in between meals, let's say I haven't eaten in a while. You realize that there are what do goblet cells secrete? Mucus. And are there a lot of goblet cells associated with the digestive tract lining? Yeah, a bunch. So mucus is constantly, even if I'm not eating right, mucus is constantly building up in my digestive tract. And if you, what do you think is healthier? New mucus or old mucus? Nobody wants old mucus, right? What's it got in it? A bunch of crap. Nasty stuff, right? You don't want old mucus. So you need to, I guess the point is you want to keep a fresh supply of mucus, right? So that if you want to have a fresh supply of mucus in the digestive tract, you need to get rid of all the old mucus. So we have this migrating motor complex that occurs, and just slowly these waves are just real slow. It takes hours. Pushing down, starting over, pushing down. So all the old mucus is going where? Into the rectum, and going to be mixed with feces. That's going to be waste. If you don't believe me, look before you flush, right? You'll see it. It's there. Honestly, that sounds silly, but you really should anyhow. I mean, public service announcement, right? You can learn a lot about your health by what's coming out of your body. So don't be afraid to look. You don't have to put it under a microscope. All right, so let's think about these processes of